Hello po.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our weekly podcast. This is Dr. Homer Lim.
And this is Bilda, and we have a
Very
special
special guest.
Yes.
Okay.
Opo.
So please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Dinky Tan.
Ayan, Binky.
And,
Yeah. So,
ano ba?
paano ka ba napunta dito, Binky?
Teka,
nga eh.
pala,
No.
kasi usually, ang
Oh.
guest natin, doktor.
Then, doctor.
Oo.
Okay.
Ngayon, special.
Special. Bakit?
Special.
Autistic special?
Oo, parang
Oo.
ganun.
Hindi sa autistic ka.
Hindi.
Oh.
Real talk to.
Real talk.
She is a real patient of Dr.
Yes.
Homer Lim.
Okay.
Yan.
And
Okay.
until now, patient pa rin and still doing treatment.
Okay.
Yes.
With,
okay.
sabihin ko na, Doc,
Oh.
ano ko.
Yes.
Yes. okay.
I'm a stage 4 breast cancer patient, triple negative. Yun.
So, natataranta na
Ayan.
si Nilda, hindi na niya alam ano sasabihin niya.
Yeah, kasi ang ganda ni Ma'am
Naku.
Vicky.
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos, sinabi,
Parang wala siyang cancer pa.
oo nga
Yung
eh.
totoo.
Sinabi niya na stage 4, napanganga si
Sabi
Nilda.
ko, stage 4?
Oo, mukhang may...
Totoo ba yan? Totoo.
Okay,
Oo,
well
yan.
anyway, so go. So before we proceed now, we just want to say hi to everyone who is listening or who will be listening. This is really for the patients and for the family who are, feeling nila they're lost.
Yes.
Yes.
They feel that, pag na may cancer, parang it's the end of your life. Wala ka nang mapupuntahan, magagawa kasi feeling nila pagka nagka-cancer sila, next day, pwede na silang mamatay at kunin sila ni Lord, no?
Mm-mm.
So anyway, but, for this particular special episode with our special guest, Ma'am Binky, so we'll be probably spending an hour on her journey and, para people understand it and, mga patients that, you don't have to be afraid. I mean, her case is not, parang one of a million or a billion. These cases do happens a lot. It's just that you have to, kumbaga, may proper mindset, which is what we will discuss later.
Yes.
Okay, so so now we go to the, to our
Details
to
po.
details of
Yes.
how and when and paano ba
Yes,
nagsimula
po.
yan,
Oo.
Binky? Can you
Oo,
tell
oo,
everyone?
oo. Yes,
Oh.
po. Parang yung teleserye to ng buhay.
Buhay ko.
Opo. What's the journey of Ma'am Binky?
Yes.
Ma'am Binky, so when was the diagnosis po?
I was diagnosed with cancer, July 2023. And honestly, nung na-diagnose ako, kasi di ba, Doc, biopsy will say that you have cancer, but it will not tell you kung anong stage.
Tama.
So, yung PET scan, after ng biopsy ko, nag-PET scan ako. Nung nag-PET scan ako, then we learned na it was stage 4 kasi may metastasis ako sa bones, sa lymph nodes, and dito. Ano man tawag dito, Doc? So, dito.
Sa malapit sa
Arti-
collarbone yun.
Mm-mm.
Oo,
Collarbone.
lymph nodes yun eh. Oo.
Lymph nodes. So, nung na-diagnose ako, honestly, nagulat ako dahil kasi syempre when you're diagnosed with cancer, maaano ka, parang di ba masyashock ka. Pero
Tama.
for some reason, I had peace talaga. And hindi nga ako naiyak. Gusto ko nga umiyak parang medyo dramatic. Pero parang gusto ko maiyak. Totoo lang. Pero parang at that time, siguro si God reminded me, I can be free from cancer or heal from cancer, but I can die from an accident, di ba? So, ang peace na yon nanggaling na parang at the end, God still decides, di ba? But you also have to do things that will help you
Get
heal
better.
or get over that cancer or extend your life. So I started treatment and I will never forget nung nalaman ko na may cancer, ito yung ko dilemma. Kasi yung husband ko, gusto niya talaga chemo. Ayaw ko talaga because patient ako ni Doc bago pa ako magka-cancer. And lahat dinadala ko doon, my whole family, ganyan. Pero alam ko rin how my husband thinks. Ang gusto niya talaga, siya medical, ano tawag doon? Western medicine. So, alam ko gusto niya chemo. So, yun yung dilemma ko. And I'll never forget, after namin pumunta sa oncologist in a hospital, a big hospital in BGC, after nun, sabi ng asawa ko, sige, alam ko na, Sabi
Alam
niya,
ko na.
alam ko na, gusto mo pumunta kay Doc Homer. sabi ko, oo, sabi niya, sige. Kasi tapos na kami doon, sabi niya, sige, pumunta ka na.
Pero
Mm.
okay, so before we jump to during when you were talking to the oncologist, what were your emotions? What were your kumbaga yung thinking frame of mind nung nangyayari when you were talking to the oncologist? Ano
Mm.
sinasabi niya?
Okay. Ang sasabihin kasi ng oncologist, syempre yung treatment plan.
Oo, tama.
Pero bago yung treatment mo, tinitingnan niya ako. Tapos sabi niya, okay, trivia, yung buhok ko dati sobrang haba. Di ba Doc? Pagod ako, sobrang haba. Tapos kulot-kulot, parang joke nga nila, parang Hollywood. So imagine mo ang haba ng buhok ko. And sabi ng doctor ko, sabi niya yung oncologist, sabi niya, feeling ko hindi ka pa naiiyak na may cancer ko o hindi pa nagsisink in. Tapos sabi ko, hindi Doc, nag-sink in na, alam ko na may cancer. Sabi niya, pero para kang hindi naiiyak. Pero alam ko na kung saan ka maiyak. Sinabi niya sa buhok mo, no? So, sabi ko, Doc, talaga bang mawawala tong hair ko? Sabi niya, oo, you lose it because you're going to do chemo. And yes, sa mga wig to.
Pero ang ganda ng wig niyo po.
Naiingit si Nilda, gusto niyang kunin.
Gusto niyo kunin eh.
Oo.
Ngayon na.
So, yon. Sabi niya, yes, mawawala because for all breast cancer, I think, Doc, di ba? Lalo na pag stage 4 ka, you will take this, ang tawag nila red devil pill. Parang it's a medicine na sobrang tapang. Yun yung nagpapawala ng hair. Kaya, pinakita niya yung treatment plan. And yes, I did chemo, 8 cycles ang first, and then,
Grabe, 8 na kagad.
and then, after nun, syempre, hindi ako nalungkot, pero natakot ako kasi alam ko na yung mga sinasabi ng lahat ng tao about chemotherapy and yung side effects nun. Mas doon ako natakot na iniisip ko na, binibrace ko na yung self ko na mag-weak ako, magiging parang may pains ako mararamdaman. So, okay, after namin doon, yun nga, pinayagan na ako pumunta kay Doc Homer. And then, eto totoo to, hindi ko yung makakalimutan kasi lagi ko itong kinikwento. Alam mo, sabi niya, pagpunta ko doon, pinakita ko lahat ng blood test, PET scan, lahat ng test, pinakita ko, isang folder yon, binabasa niya. Sabi ko, Doc, ako na yung may sakit ngayon. Kasi nga, pumupunta yung family ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, hindi, wala kang sakit. Sabi ko, anong walang sakit? Stage 4 nga. Sabi niya, stage 4, sa tawa siya na tawa. Wala yan. And then, yon, he gave me a protocol. Siya na mag-explain nun. But, I'll tell you, sa lahat ng siguro para matapos ko na lang yung nag 8 cycles ako. 4th cycle, my tumor, instead of shrinking, lumaki siya. And even my oncologist, of course, doctors, I think, hindi nila papahalata na but pero nakita niya na lumaki. So, medyo siya, nag-worry siya. That's why, while I was doing chemo, meron pa akong 4 na natitira.
Yes.
I had to do radiation, which I think, may nagsabi sa akin na hindi rin maganda. But I did it, and 25 times yon na radiation.
Dami na.
Ang dami. And, eto yan, kahit yung doctors ko and nurses in this big hospital in BGC, while I was doing it, kahit sila, sabi nila, ano ka ba? Superwoman? Parang hindi ka tinatabla ng radiation at saka chemo.
Yeah.
Yung chemo ko nun matapang lahat eh. So, yon. So, because I was religiously doing my protocols and drinking everything that I need to drink. Yon. So, sige, para ba? So, yan, that was 2023, 24. And then 2024, I did, kasi natapos ko na, yung tumor, hindi siya lumiit. Stable. Pero meron pa rin. Hindi na ako pinakimo, nag-immunotherapy ako. Pero, hindi lumalaki yung tumor, pero hindi rin siya lumiliit. And then, end of 2024, January 2025, lumaki ulit. That's why, right now, yung husband ko, ang may gusto niya na magpa-treat na ako sa Singapore.
Yeah.
So, yon. And when we got to Singapore, syempre doon, chemo rin. So, I had to do 12 cycles.
Okay.
And lahat matapang because I'm a triple negative. Sabi ng doctor ko in Singapore. So, nag-chemo ako ulit ng madami. Tapos noon,
Well, pero can you tell
Mm.
us how was your encounter with your doctor in Singapore, Dr. Ang, di ba? So how was your encounter, first encounter with, kasi marami ring pasyente tayo na
Yes.
who are
But,
very
yeah.
interested, maybe we can go to Singapore. So, ano naman experience mo while you were in Singapore in the hospital? I mean the clinic.
Honestly, si Dr. Ang, kung hindi kanya patient, may intimidate ka sa kanya because he's very straightforward.
Mm.
And I think, I have to say, ang kaibahan niya with maybe yung doctor siguro dito, siya medyo out of the box. Because for him, when he saw my record, sabi niya, you're a triple negative from the start.
Mm.
Sabi niya.
Mm.
And all this chemotherapy na you did will not work for a triple negative like you. And
Ay, hindi sinabi.
if kas
Sa malaki ospital, hindi sinabi.
Yun kasi ang protocol nila.
Alright.
Parang gano'n.
Okay.
Oo, yun protocol kasi nila. Oo.
Pag-breast, di ba, Doc?
Oo.
Parang pareho yan eh.
Oo,
Na yun.
depende kung ano, yun ang susundin mo protocol.
Yun.
Mm.
So, nung nakita niya, sabi niya, I don't understand. Why? Di syempre, wala kami ba sagot? Na
Tama,
ano.
tama. Hindi siya makasagot.
Tapos sabi niya, okay, here, actually yung chemo ko, hindi siya pang breast. Ang binigay sa akin ng chemo, yung 6 cycles, na first chemo ko doon for the ovarian cancer na matapang na gamot. And I finished, and after nun, hindi nga lumiliit. Kasi tigas ng ulo ko yung cancer ko.
Tigas
So,
nga.
tigas talaga.
Oo.
So, hindi siya lumiliit. So, I had to continue a targeted chemotherapy. Medyo mahalan talaga siya. Honestly, ako talaga, if given the choice, ayoko na. Kasi ayoko na ng masakit yung mga blood test lahat.
Yes, so.
And, but I had to finish, di ba? All my mga inano sa akin sa Singapore. So, ngayon, honestly, after nung matagal, yung tumor ko, medyo matigas talaga ulo niya. Hindi siya talaga lumiliit. Magsistable siya, pero hindi siya
Liliit.
yung mawawala, yung parang wini-wish mo ganun. Hindi siya ganun. I think because nga it's triple negative. And I was telling before our podcast, tama ba?
Tama po.
Yes.
Before this, meron nga akong same case na naging friend ko na in Singapore. Recently lang to, pag-visit ko doon. I was asking how she is kay Dr. Ang. And bilang siya nagsabi na, oh yes, I had the same case as you. Tapos sabi ko, yes, doc, that one. Tapos sabi niya, she just died recently. And it's so sad na na ganun. Kasi syempre, same case and yun.
I think we have to touch on that kasi marami ring pasyente pag may nami-meet sila sa treatment, sa
Yes,
chemotherapy ward or sa clinic, 'di ba,
Mm.
nag-uusapan sila, nagko-compare. Tapos pag one of them parang becomes sicker or one of them died, all of the kumbaga yung magkakasama, they feel suddenly they feel sad and then they panic. Some of them would actually panic and baka ako na susunod. So I think that's one of the reason why a lot of patients, especially yung mga tinatawag nating mga classmates, kasi sabay-sabay sila or they always go to the same at the same day at the same time, they parang nagkakaroon sila ng fear and anxiety pag sino na susunod sa atin, no? So parang totoo yan eh. So even kahit mas sa Singapore, di ba, when you see other people together with you, di ba? So I think that's one of the things that people have to understand, especially cancer patients. You are not them and they are not you.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone is different.
Yes.
I think so. I mean, we haven't really touched on what you were taking during the chemotherapy. So I think very important thing people would want to hear. So during your chemotherapy, what were you doing that you think that really kumbaga nakatulong sa na hindi ka magkaroon ng mga side effect na suka, nanghihina,
Yes.
ano bang mga ginagawa mo? Ano bang
Parang walang nangyari kapag nagkikimo, no?
Oo, tsaka hindi lang chemo, she was doing chemo plus radiation. O kasi yun pa lang, chemo radiation, talagang super heavy yun.
Pero Doc, alam mo ba, akala ko, hindi totoo yun.
Ano
Na
yung
may
hindi totoo?
effect.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
nga sa akin, parang wala.
Di niya nararamdaman yung effect ng radiotherapy.
Tapos may
Oo.
friends ako na
Oo.
nagganon.
Oo.
Sobrang weak, hindi makalabas.
Oo, makalas ng bahay.
Bedridden, di ba?
Bedridden,
Parang
kaya
1 week
nga.
bedridden
Akala
sila.
ko parang baka ang totoo,
Mm.
Oo.
minsan lang yung ganon, yung akin yung parang normal.
Ah.
Oo, totoo.
Kaya hindi ka nagre-reklamo, okay lang, gano'n.
Hindi tapos ngayon, meron ako mga friends na recently na-diagnose ng cancer, nag-chemo, bagsak sila.
Kaya
So,
nga.
sad ako na gano'n. Kaso ako dati talaga, nagmo-mall pa after.
Kasi may pamalas ng chemo na
Nagpo-fall ka pa?
Tapos,
Inspiring, ha?
never ako nagmamask. Never.
Oo.
Never talaga. Kahit dito sa malaking hospital dito. Kasi mas stricto dito eh.
Oo.
Never. Pag nagkikimo day ako, yung nandito pa ako nagpapagamot, never ako nagmamask.
Ah.
Never. So, lahat ng kasabay ko sa chemo,
Oo.
outpatient,
Lahat sila.
lahat nakamask. Kasi
Oo.
nga, madali kang Ako never. Sinasabi nila, you wear a mask, ganyan. Tapos sinasabi ko, ay, hindi ako mamamatay sa cancer. Hindi ako makahinga. Kaya hindi.
Tama nga naman.
Yun.
Tama nga naman, di ba? Oo.
Tapos, remember, airport
Oo.
is the parang pinakamapapraning ka because ang daming
Dami,
Sakit,
ang dami.
tama.
So, I fly to Singapore lagi. Never ako nagmamask. Kahit sa airplane.
Oo.
Never.
Oo.
Ano naman ang secret?
Okay.
Oo. So, before that, yung mga chemo, alam mo na nagkikimo, nagpunta ka kay Doc Homer eh. Ano yung mga sinabi niya?
Secret
Tips? Secret ba?
Ah.
Hindi ha?
Oo.
Wala tayong sinisecret dito ha?
Oo, sige.
Sige, mahaba. So, kung may kulang, tanong nyo na lang.
Oo.
Siguro si Doc Homer kasi, hindi siya yung kung ano yung sakit mo, titingnan niya rin talaga kung ano yung pwede sa'yo. Di ba, Doc? Check mo yung blood test, ganyan. So, the things that I'm doing, number one, matatawa kayo, 30 calamansi every day. Oh, walang halo yon, no honey, no sugar, wala, syempre walang sugar, but no water, wala lahat.
Pinipiga.
Ang bagong piga, yun yung importante na sabi nila. Dapat bagong piga.
Oo.
Hindi yung nasa ref ng matagal.
Yes.
So, every day yon, and after a full stomach, kasi para hindi rin
Sobrang asim.
sobrang asim. And then, hyperbaric also. And, madami akong supplements na nagpapalakas ng body. At saka, ito, nagjo-juicing ako. Yung juicing, ang pangit talaga.
Pangit talaga.
Super, talaga, grabe. Pero, alas 3 years ko na siya iniinom. And, tapos, ivermectin.
Wait.
Ay.
The juicing. What
Juicing.
are you putting in the juice? Kasi
Okay.
gusto nila malaman, ano ba yung nilalagay mo sa
Nga,
juice?
sige,
pero
tama.
pangit ang lasa.
Pangit talaga.
Oo.
Di ba masarap sana kung may fruits?
Yes.
Okay,
Oo.
wala siyang fruits.
Tama.
Ito, broccoli,
Okay.
carrots,
Oho.
celery,
Okay.
may isa pa eh.
Bell pepper.
Yon!
Yung
Yes,
pepperin. Parang pepperin.
Isa pa, may ano, dati nag-beetroot, pero
Oo.
parang pinalitan siya ng ano,
Oo.
kung wala. Kung
Oo.
walang beetroot. May gulay siya lahat. Green. Parang, ampalaya!
Ampalaya.
Kaya pala pangit.
Super talaga. Pero alam nyo, 3 years ko na siya iniinom. And some people say put fruit para masarap. Matamis talaga rin yun. May sugar siya. So,
Yes.
wala talaga. And then I stopped. Zero sugar. Meaning
Yun.
kahit fruits. Ganon,
Yun.
kastrikto.
Wala siyang compromise.
Oo.
Wala talaga.
Oo.
Tapos, sugar is just one, but carbs is also another.
Nako, wag mo sasabihin kay Nilda ang carbs.
Walang
sa kanya,
rice.
Rice is life para kay Nilda.
Kaya nga.
Ano, pasta ako nga.
Pasta rin eh, no?
Sarap, diba? Tsaka pizza, wala.
Talagang i-give up.
O, give up talaga 1 year.
Yun.
1 year. Okay.
One
Pero
And until
Until
now.
now.
but
Until
before you
Yeah.
had the diagnosis of before you were diagnosed with cancer, ano ba normally is what do you normally eat? Kasi yun ang
Oo,
Oh,
dapat
nakalimutan ko rin pala, Doc,
Oo.
yung
Mm.
fasting.
Fasting,
Yun,
oo.
i-rest.
fasting.
So how long do you fast po?
16 to 18.
16 to 18. O kaya mo yun, Nilda? 16 to
16 to
18?
18?
Hours hindi
Oh,
minutes.
dapat sleep ako parati. Sleep! Oo, kasi ayaw mag-sleep ng bibig ko. Diba sa kayong isip?
Oo.
Kain ka na. Ayun na yung bigas.
Sarap,
Lutuin na.
Japanese rice.
Yes!
Sarap,
Oo.
diba?
Tapos ang sarap-sarap nga nun.
Oo.
Talaga. Tsaka raw, bawal.
Bawal din ang raw.
Yung mga raw meat. Kasi nga
Oo.
nagkikimo siya noon.
Oo.
Oo. So yan, so juicing and then you were
Yeah.
taking, as you were saying, ivermectin.
Yes,
Oo.
high dose.
High dose.
High dose.
Oo.
Hindi yung patingi-tingi. Kasi I think yung iba do,
Yan,
Oo.
yun na yun.
they
Oo.
believe in ivermectin, but because meron silang notion na nakakatakot siya,
Yes.
they'll just drink it konti. Like,
Oo.
pa isa-isa.
Oo.
No, hindi. High dose.
Like for
medyo
example,
high
the
dose.
common side effect ng ivermectin is yung parang blurry vision, tapos headache na kaunti, yun, ganun yung mga...
Wala akong
Wala ka rin
wala.
nun.
Yung
Oh.
blurry, hindi magsalamin na lang. Kasi may cancer.
Alam mo, maganda pati ang aura mo.
Diba?
Very
Salamin.
positive. Very, very positive talaga. Imagine mo, hindi ka umiyak.
Hindi.
Tapos lahat ng chemo, hindi tumalab. Di ba? Parang,
Yung minsan nga hindi naniniwala
Oo.
na may sakit. Sinasabi
Kaya
ko
nga.
na lang, hayaan mo na. Ako naman yung hindi naiiyak. Okay lang kung di sila maniwala. Minsan isip nila, hindi totoo. Pero remember, you also don't want to... Kasi totoo naman pwede ka naman gumaling sa cancer. Tapos namatay ka ng
Tagasaan ka ng
tagasaan ka ng
Oo,
train.
oo nga, tama.
Di ba? So, yun.
Kaya nga, very, very positive.
Oh, so what else do you think, I mean, in your point of view, aside from yun nga, you said juicing, you had fasting, you had no sugar, no carbs, you said ivermectin. What else you think
Parang hindi ka na
helped
kumakain,
you?
ma'am.
Kumakain.
Kumakain ka pa rin.
Yung rice ko, hindi yung rice na white.
White, yes.
Yung mushroom rice.
Mm.
Pwede yun. Mga mushroom rice. Di ba, Doc?
Yes po.
Pwede yun.
Tama. Merong mushroom rice, merong shiratake, broccoli,
Quinoa.
cauliflower, quinoa. Oo.
Quinoa,
broccoli.
yes.
Oo.
Yun.
Shiratake rice.
So, I
these are-
bring with
Oo.
me. When I go
Babaon
out,
siya.
lagi ako may dala.
Oo.
May rice cooker ka na din dala.
Nako, alam mo, importante talaga. Hindi pwedeng walang rice cooker sa usapan namin ni Nilda. Every podcast namin, kailangan may rice cooker sa mini-mention. Oo.
Hindi, yung akin, konti, kahit yung mushroom rice, konti rin.
Oo.
Konti lang din.
Mm-mm.
O, ang mga friends, hindi ho talaga, porke, di ba, porke quinoa, etc.,
Oo.
pwede nang marami.
Oo, tama.
Hindi pa rin.
Oo, may portion pa din.
Portion.
Oo, tatlo lang.
Tatlong
Tatlong sandok lang.
Tatlong kaldero.
Oo, ang hirap talaga, no?
Ayun.
Pero, gusto nyo nga ba magkaroon ng cancer?
Siyempre
hindi.
ayaw nyo.
Oo nga.
Ito ka, Doc, siguro kikwento ko rin. One time, kasama ko yung mga co-patients ko. Yung isa na lang, co-patient ko in Singapore. So, nagkukwentuhan kami. And then, sabi niya, nagtataka kasi talaga siya, why I don't look sick.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
so because naging close na kami, I would
Oh.
share. Kasi ayoko,
Wait, is this a Filipino, Singaporean?
no, Malaysia.
Malaysian, okay.
Malaysia. Yung
Oo.
Filipino, dahil maging close kayo, titimbingin mo rin kasi minsan talagang sila, Western talaga lang sila. So, I think, negative yung tingin nila sa natural, yung mga ganon. So, eto, naging close kami nitong Malaysian, and she was asking me, you really don't look sick, Binky. So, what are you doing? Can you share? So, nag-share ako sa kanya, ng konti lang, but I told her about calamansi,
Yeah.
juicing, mga ganyan. And then, sabi niya, one of the things na tinanong niya was hyperbaric, yung high oxygen.
High oxygen, correct.
Yun. And ivermectin is a no-no when you mention natataranta sila. So, to her, because naging close kami, I told her also the things I was doing. And then sabi niya, sabi niya sa akin, so you're doing what did you tell
Doctor.
our doctor? Sabi ko, tapos sabi niya, oh no, because I told him.
Uh-huh.
Shinare niya, tinanong niya kung pwede.
Aha.
Tandaan nyo, ang senaryo nito, pareho kami
IV,
nagkikimo.
nakaswero, oo.
Pareho
Oo.
Sabi niya sa akin, so you did not tell him? Sabi niya, why? You told him? Sabi ko.
Oh.
Sabi niya, yes, I told him. And he said, while you're doing chemo, it's
It's
bad.
bad.
It's bad. Sabi niya, tumingin siya sa akin, sabi niya, and how long have you been doing it? Sabi ko, oh, I think almost 3 years. Sabi niya, and? Sabi ko sa kanya, and? And sabi niya, yeah, you don't look sick. Magkaiba talaga kami kahit sa balat. But
Oo.
I think yun, doon sila nagpapaka, Doc. Kasi, di ba, kung
Oo,
titingnan niyo yung
nagpapaka
balat ko,
Oo, sobrang kinis
para
po.
siyang walang
Walang
gray.
bahid ng cancer.
Gray,
walang
oo, yung
bahid
gray.
ng
dapat
ano.
Gray,
Oo.
tama.
Oo.
Nagiging gray ang
Ang
skin
ganda-ganda
nila.
nga ng skin mo.
Oh, tama na. Tama ka.
Grabe.
Kakainin mo yung braso niya.
Para chicken lollipop. Oo, pero maganda ko talaga ang aura ni Ma'am Binky, ha? Pero tignan mo naman. Pero ang worry ko lang, sabi na nga sa iyo ng onko mo doon kahit sa BGC hindi nagsabi, di ba? Tinapos yung chemo, wala man lang pasabi na triple negative, bawal. Wala.
Hindi naman bawal, hindi masya effective.
Hindi
Hindi
effective
talaga.
totally, sabi ng Singaporean
Oo
onko.
nga, oo nga, oo.
Anong nangyari nung nagkikimo ka?
Dito dun.
Doon sa Singapore, ano na after noon?
Stable lang. Hindi rin siya
Stable
lumiit.
lang. Talaga?
Kaya tinanggal.
Tinanggal na yung chemo.
Hindi, tinanggal, natapos na yung chemo.
Tinanggal na.
Tapos,
yung breast.
Tinanggal
Ay,
yung
yung
tumor, yung
tumor.
pinakabukol
Oo,
mismo,
oo.
tinanggal.
And yung operation ko doon,
Mm.
Doc, ayaw ko I told you na.
Yes.
Sabi ng doctor ko doon, sabi niya talaga, you know, kasi medyo malaki yung tumor ko, di ba, Doc?
Oo.
Medyo malaki siya. Sabi niya, your surgery is one of the biggest I have seen in my entire career. So, major talaga yung
Tinanggal
surgery ko.
kasi parang malaking area ang tinanggal. Oo.
Sobrang laki.
Biro mo, nung nag-chemo ka sa malaking ospital sa BGC, lumaki pa siya.
Mm.
Oo, tapos nung dinecide na to remove it.
When I finished my chemo there, ng ilang cycles, tinanggal. Kasi,
Hindi na kasi
Si Doc.
effective.
Hindi na
si Doc,
effective.
ewan ko, sabi niya,
Oo.
wala nang iba, anong gagawin pa sa'yo? Chemo ka na, radiation, lahat,
Oo,
ginawa na.
oo.
So, tinanggal. Yun lang, dalawa yung surgeons ko, 6 hours ang surgery ko kasi sobrang laki niya. So, I had to do skin
Skin grafting.
grafting.
Yun yung matagal yung
Pag
skin
kailangan
grafting.
ng grafting, madami ako.
Next, ano?
Marami siyang pang-graft. Oo.
Oo,
Extra. Oo.
Tapos po, yung
Yun.
na.
And kahit yung healing ko, mabilis din siya.
Wow.
Kasi, I think because of the things na ginagawa ko. So, mabilis yung healing ko. Kahit sila doon, nagtataka sila na mabilis. Kasi laki talaga ng operation ko eh. Sobrang laki. I mean, para masabi niya yon. And sobrang siyang happy. And eto, yung huling visit namin, tinitingnan niya ako. Sabi niya, you know? And eto, ewan ko, if you watch si Doc Homer and si Nilda, sinasabi to ni Doc. Ay, sa isang
Oo.
ano ka, sabi mo, it's a mindset. Alam mo, sabi ni Doc, titingnan niya ako, sabi niya, you know, I think what's really important when you get diagnosed with cancer is your mindset. Kasi
Yung
tinitingnan
pala
niya ako.
hindi niya alam.
So, to think that this doctor has been treating cancer for decades.
Yes,
No?
sabi
So,
niya.
oo.
And I think it helps talaga.
Oh, yeah, but so okay, so you go us through, sige, 'di ba, after surgery. So anong lumabas nung surgery nung tinanggal? I think very important also.
Okay. Nung tinanggal, kasi may spread ako, di ba?
Opo.
Yes, yun nga tatanungin ko yun Oo.
Alam nyo, nung binuksan, nagulat rin sila because, di ba malaki kasi talaga yung area? Malaki rin yung tumor sa PET scan. PET scan talaga umiilaw na malaki. Alam mo, pagbukas, patay lahat.
Wow!
Yung patay, maliit
Dead
lang.
tissue daw.
Dead tissue. Yeah, so miracle siya. And yun din ang sabi niya. Sabi niya, pati sila doon, nagugulat sila. Because hindi talaga yung na-expect nila. To think, nag-joke pa siya. Sabi niya, you know, now I want to question PET scan.
Mali yung PET scan, ano?
Sabi niya, I want to question PET scan. Di natatawanan kami. Tapos, yun. Tapos, I mean, I think gulat talaga sila. Na,
Oo nga,
No,
nakakagulat naman talaga.
sige, I think you also mentioned about yung kumbaga yung reaction ng doktor mo
Oo,
in
yung mga
Singapore
reaction nila, no?
with after the histopath and everything. Ano yung sinabi niya sa'yo? Sabi mo nga, ang tagal niyang nakatingin sa'yo.
Oo, nung lumabas yun, hindi kasi namin alam na may report pala siya
Oo.
after the surgery.
Yes.
May report pala doon, ganun ka ano doon eh.
Hmm.
Yun din ang maganda sa Singapore. Very ano sila, ano tawag ba sa ganun, Doc? Very proactive. So, nung lumabas yun, hindi namin alam. Nung lumabas yung report,
Mm.
ganito siya. Hindi ko yun makakalimutan because naiiyak-iyak na ako.
First time siya naiiyak-iyak.
Oo nga.
Pagod na pagod ka lang kasi sa kakakimo, lahat, for surgery, lahat,
Dapat
diba?
surgery. So,
Oo.
nakaupo kami. It was the longest 7 minutes of our lives. Nakatingin na. Tapos ganit, ang tagal niya talaga. Tinitingnan niya. Tapos tinitingnan niya.
Sabi niya, ito ba yung patient ko? Oo, parang sabi niya, ikaw ba yun? Ano?
Pareho ba to? Tapos sabi niya, kasi yun ang real name ko. Mabel, gumagano siya. Tinitingnan niya kung parehong tao. Ang tagal niya nagsalita. Alam mo, nung nagsalita siya ganito, ang unang lumabas yung bibig niya, unbelievable. Yun ang una. And then, I think he said it mga 5 times. Kasi nga, nagulat siya.
Nung tinanggal.
Napatay. Yun yung report.
Oo.
Na patay.
So, wala na pala siya.
patay,
Dead tissue na
Pero,
lang pala siya.
bakit umiilaw, Dok?
May yung body mo trying to repair. So may inflammation kasi it wants to repair, wants to remove dead tissue.
Oh, so iilaw siya ng PET scan?
Yeah, ilaw talaga yun.
So, hindi ibig sabihin, PET scan,
Yeah.
ilaw, cancer.
Yes.
Yes.
Pwedeng inflammation, pwedeng merong infection,
Mm.
so cancer, pwede lahat yan.
Oh, okay. Ayun. So, ganun siya. Sabi niya, yun nga, tapos nag-joke na. Tapos kami lahat, din, naiyak na rin ako because nga, it's a miracle.
Doon ka na
Oo,
iyak.
iyak.
Grabe, nakakaiyak talaga. Naku, Lord God, diba?
Diba? Parang hindi ko yun na-expect. Kasi in-expect namin, syempre meron, malaki kasi talaga, natanggal. And then,
6 hours ka sa surgery.
correct.
Grabe yun, ah.
Tapos after nun, tapos sinabi niya, yun, nag-joke na siya, sabi niya, no, now I want to question PET scan, the machine, I want to question.
Oo, dapat i-question talaga yun. ah. So,
Yun.
yun naman, tagal na
So,
palang dead tissue na lang siya, no?
Pero hindi nila maiisip yung doctor.
Unless binuksan ka talaga.
Unless
Oo,
siguro
oo.
makikita na
Oo.
ano.
So now you're living na
Now.
parang cancer-free na.
But they don't say it.
They did, but so but when were you diagnosed to be cancer free
Free,
talaga?
yes.
Hindi nila, ayaw niyang sabihin doon, Dok.
Ayaw niya
Oo,
sabihin.
hindi niya
Oo.
sasabihin na, hindi yata nila yan sinasabi.
Oo.
Ang sinasabi lang nila, parang hindi rin remission. Nung huli naming punta, hindi
Oo.
rin.
Hindi rin.
So, sabi niya lang,
Oo.
pinapatuloy niya ako. Okay, after ko pala ng
Surgery.
ayaw ko na talaga.
Mm.
Sinabi ko kay Dr. Sabi rin niya, wag na. Kasi okay na eh.
Kaya
Eh,
nga
kaso,
mamaya makiliti na naman.
Ayun
no?
na nga, kaso
Oo.
yung husband ko sabi niya, tapusin lang natin to.
Oo,
Hanggang
tama,
July.
tama.
Yung para sa kanya,
Oo,
tapusin.
oo.
Tapos magpi-PET scan ako sa July.
Okay.
But every PET scan ko, naka-PET scan na ako eh.
Mhm.
From the last time. Mula, ano siya talaga. Parang,
Clear.
Grabe.
Clear. And what was, ano yung reaction ni Dr. Ang when yung lumalabas yung PET scan? Oh.
Wala, yung huli, syempre sabi niya, I'm so happy, you know? Eto pala, hindi ko
Oo.
tanong ito.
Oo.
Lagi niya itong sinasabi. Sabi niya, you know, your case is very, very unusual. Sabi niya, when you arrived here, exact words ito, when you arrived here, you were in bad shape. You're stage 4, and you had metastasis, and to top it all, you're a triple negative. And I've known the type of cancer because I have patients na triple negative. And I know the characteristic. So, sabi niya pa, ito hindi ko na kwento. By this time, for a triple negative patient, I have treated you for almost a year. It should have spread already. And I don't understand why
Hindi nag-spread.
it hasn't.
Oo.
So, isa pang sabi niya, tapos, di may PET scan, di ba? Sabi niya, gusto ko pang magtanong. May tatanong pa kami. Sabi niya, no. This I want you to see. Kami, nakafocus kami doon sa wall. Siya, nasa isip ko, walang spread. May tatanong pa ako. Sabi niya, no, that's not the one that's more mind-boggling to me. Sabi niya, this. Yung PET scan doon malaki, puro pictures. As in colored. So, iba, yun lang, kakaiba na yun. Gumaganon siya. Sabi niya, tapos pinatayo niya kami. Yeah, this, I want you to see this. Sabi ko, di kami malay ko, bak, ano yung...
Hindi
Hindi ko
maintindihan,
maintindihan, di ba?
Oo.
Sabi ko, okay, Doc, what's that? Sabi niya, this is your liver. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi niya, this is more mind-boggling to me. Tapos sabi namin, why, Doc?
Oo.
Sabi niya, you see, I have treated you for almost a year. Before you came here, you did chemotherapy in the Philippines and
Yes.
radiation, which is bad. Very bad.
Oh.
Sabi niya.
Oo.
Bad daw ang radiation, ha?
Sabi niya, bad. Sabi niya, but when you came here, I gave you cycles of chemotherapy. Very strong medicine. The one you took in the Philippines, the yung first cycle ko, four cycles are strong medicines. That's why you lost your hair. Sabi niya, by this time, it should have hit your liver. Kahit paano, meron daw dapat talaga. Dapat daw tatamaan nyo. Masyadong madami na akong gamot. Sabi niya, look at your liver. It's perfect. Beautiful.
Wow.
Sabi niya, sabi niya, that is more mind-boggling.
Hindi doon sa cancer.
Hindi doon.
Sa liver lang. Oo.
So, because of that, sabi niya, hanggang ngayon sinasabi niya yun sa amin. Sabi niya, because your case is unusual, I always discuss it with my team. We always talk about your case.
Oo.
Kasi
Kasi
kaya...
Pero wait.
Kasi, teka lang,
Teka.
hindi mo binibigay yung secret.
Hindi. Yun nga itatanong ko.
Oo.
So, did at any point in
Oo.
time, Dr. Ang said, what are you doing aside from, did
Oo.
he ask?
No.
No.
Oo.
Hindi yan tatanong yun do, magigalit yun.
Hindi, I mean, the point is, he
Ah.
never even asked.
Oo.
Bakit tatanungin do?
Sinabi na nga niya ba?
Di ba,
Unusual
miracle
yung
nga,
case mo.
unusual eh.
Di dapat,
Talaga?
gusto niyang alamin.
Oo.
So, kasi, the point here is, he's been seeing a lot of triple negative
Yes.
breast cancer.
Oo.
And he knows the characteristics. Kailan ka mamamatay. Di ba?
Oh.
Kailan mag-i-spread, kailan mamamatay.
Oo.
Ikaw unusual. So, mag-iisip siya, what am I doing right that I did not do sa
Oo.
iba?
Ay, Doc, syempre tingin niya yung chemo.
Pareho lang naman
Chemo
ginamit niya
that I
sa kanila at sa iyo eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi ko na alam, Doc. Ay, ewan ko ba?
Hindi kasi
Nagtatanong
siguro.
ba ang doktor?
Oo, nagtatanong ang doktor.
Like, I'm doing something?
Ano?
Kaya nga yun nga yung point. That's my point here. He never bothered to ask.
Palagi ko alam na niya.
Because he knew.
Baka.
Malamang may nagsumbong. Alam mo ba si Doktor?
Wala.
Alam mo yung pasyente mong Binky? Pasawa yan. May tinitig na ibang gamot yan.
Ivermectin yan.
Pasawa yan. May ginagawa yan
Hindi na lang
kakaiba.
dalawang pangalan ko.
Dalawa?
Yung real name ko tawag doon eh, Tito B.
Kaya nga. Oo. Tapos,
Pero syempre, I lost weight. But everybody will, kasi di ba Doc, pag may cancer, tapos naglo-lose ka ng weight
Oo,
drastically,
nakakatakot.
kakabahan ka. And
Oo.
my family felt that nung mga November, sabi nila, yung brother ko sinabi niya na, sabi niya sa wife niya, kinikwento niya ngayon na lang, sabi niya, pauwi daw sila, sabi niya, ate, parang sabi niya sa sister-in-law ko, parang natatakot na ako kay ate.
Bakit?
She lost so much weight. So,
Okay.
natatakot siya na, inisip na
Oo.
nag-spread na.
Okay.
Kaso, ang naguguluhan sila, kahit
Oo.
pumayat ako, ang malakas ako.
kaya nga eh. Saka, di ba, alam mo naman from the start na nag-spread na talaga siya.
Pero baka daw nag-spread pa.
Okay.
Ibang place.
And even the doctor mentioned that, nung taga Singapore na 1 year na, ang in-expect niya talagang mag-spread pa sa iba.
Kasi
Pero
4
hindi.
na ako nung dumating.
Oo.
Tsaka, yung liver ko nga.
Yung
Totoo
liver
ba yun,
nga,
Dok?
bakit
Talagang
ang ganda-ganda?
tatamaan. Tatamaan talaga yung pag madaming
Oo.
chemo. Okay.
Yes.
Yun pala eh.
Given yun.
Given talaga yun.
Given yun.
So,
Given
iba
yun.
talaga. Ano na nilagay mo na kwan?
Salad.
Grabe, no? Protected na protected, no?
Tsaka mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay.
Mushroom.
So, what type of mushrooms were you taking?
Nakagano na doon.
Naka-capsule.
Hindi ko na-memorize.
Okay. So, she's taking mushroom because yun
Yes.
nga, so we've been discussing, no? Mushroom is also very good in protecting your immune system, boosting your immune system, especially when you're doing chemo or radiotherapy. So yun ang things that she's been, taking
Until now.
Until now, no? So,
And, Doc, di ba sabi mo rin, it's not a question if you're taking it.
yes.
how consistently
Yeah.
are you taking it
Actually.
consistent as in everyday religiously. Ganong
Walang
level.
miss
Wala.
dapat.
Wala
Oo,
talaga.
oo.
Yun. So, I think that's one of the, I think a lot of our listeners also, those who are diagnosed with cancer and those who are yung mga family and friends who have cancer. So, now they're very, very interested. Ano ba talaga ang tinitake mo on a daily basis?
Daily.
Oo.
Ah.
Oo. Yan. So, ngayon, nag-iisip na si Binky. Hindi na niya maalala sa sobrang dami, no? Oo. So, we will try. But remember, you have to also understand people who have been diagnosed with cancer and doing chemo and radiotherapy, nagkakaroon din sila ng tinatawag nating brain fog. Gaya si Nilda, pag hindi nakakain, may brain fog din
Yes,
siya.
oo. Brain fog din, nakakalimot ako.
Nakakalimot siya pag walang pagkain, no? So,
Mm-mm.
I mean, these are things that are very, very common. So, we'll give some leeway to Binky. So, what are you taking on a daily basis aside sa sinabi mo yung calamansi juice na puro, juicing, Iver,
ampalaya.
what else?
Ivermectin.
What else do you remember?
Siguro you begin with zero sugar.
Zero
Nako,
sugar, very,
yun
tinan mo.
talaga.
Di ba, lagi natin pinag-usapan, sugar is the number one food of your cancer
Yes,
cells.
zero. Tsaka carbs.
Carbs, zero carbs and sugar. Okay, what else?
Hirap.
Oo.
And then, mushroom.
Okay.
Ivermectin.
Yes.
Ngayon, parang nagiging popular na siya. Yun lang, meron lang silang negative, kaya yata tatakot sila inumin.
Tama.
When they see,
Yeah.
D3,
Yes.
high dose.
High dose.
D3.
High
Yun.
dose.
Oo.
Yun. Mushroom. Kung if you can take mushroom na mas ano pa din, mag-take kayo. Iver, D3. Doc, berberine.
Berberine. Very good. So I think so again we have been saying to a lot of patients, family, even the podcast, no, Iver and Benbendazole, they do not work alone. It has to be combined with something, and yung something is zero sugar, zero carb, berberine, because that starves the cancer even more for taking in sugar.
Yes.
Ayan. What else do you remember?
Diba, Doc?
Oo.
Nandyan eh.
Nandiyan na.
Ang dami ko lalagyan.
Ang dami niya lalagyan. So, and normally, how many tablets and capsules do you take on an average, on a daily basis?
The Iver, Doc.
Oo.
Well, pinabawasan na, Doc. Isa lang. Dati, mas madami.
Tama.
Pero ngayon, 2-2.
Okay.
So, 2 lunch, 2 dinner.
Okay.
Tapos, D3 ko is 5,000. And then, Selenzyme to protect my
enzyme.
And then, mushroom ko, 2-2 rin.
Okay.
Doc, yung ano yun, Doc? Nakalimutan ko na yung parang,
Parang ano yun?
parang pag kinikimo ka, I think for immune din yun eh. Parang, ano nga yun? Nandyan eh, sa bag. Anyway, may isa akong sinitake. Parang pag kinikimo, mas nalilesen yung
Side
effect
effects.
niya. But I continue to take it kasi maganda rin siya sa immune system. And nakita ko yung difference niya because may friend ako, hindi niya yun tinik kasi medyo mahal yung mga supplements. But I mean, you'd rather take that than chemotherapy. But hindi niya yun tinik. Kinabi ko sa kanya kaso hindi niya na-take because parang, atas pag nagkikimo siya, talagang bagsak siya. Mga 1 week. Yun. So, and then, I also drink Guyabano juice. Sabi nila, ay talaga, yung fruit. Ay, hindi. Yung leaves.
Yung
leaves. Okay.
Kasi matamis
So,
yung
parang
fruit
water.
Yeah. So, please, everybody, just to remind you, it's not the fruit, it's the tea. Or the roots, no? Nandun yung anti-cancer, not the fruits, no? A lot of people make that.
Masarap kasi yung fruit.
Oo nga, doon sila
Matamis.
nagkakamali, no? So, it's not the fruit. Okay. So, do you remember what else? Wala na.
Ang dami na nun eh.
Ang dami na nun. Okay. Ang dami na.
Turmeric, huwag ganon.
Turmeric, hindi na, para siguro, ba't ba, Doc? Parang, hindi na ako, pwede rin yun, pero ako, siguro ang dami na, hindi na ako, kasi minsan, umiinom ako ginger. Ng ano. So, hindi na, parang hindi na ako nag-ganon. Pero I think, maganda rin siya.
Of course. I mean, it's also good. So, now since we're talking about the soup, now we go to your, kumbaga how was it when you were diagnosed with cancer? How was your family, your friends, ano yung, what was your, kumbaga, impression during the diagnosis?
I think they're more affected than... Ganun lang yata eh. Siguro, pag ikaw yung may sakit,
Oo.
and you have peace, and you know that God still is, at the end, He still decides if it's our time or not, di ba?
Mm-mm.
But, syempre, yung family mo, yun yung mas nag-worry sa'yo.
Mm.
Totoo. Pero, I think one of the things that helped me also is not to keep it na may cancer ako.
Yes.
And when I see people in the
Oo.
mall,
Yes.
kunyari, like, kasi minsan nagagandahan talaga sila sa...
Sa buhok! Sa buhok, ano? Okay.
So may lumalapit talaga sa akin na,
Oo.
you know, I was looking at you.
Oo.
I just want to ask, where do you go? What salon? Pero sasabihin ko yung totoo. So sabihin ko, okay. Oh, so, cause this is a wig. So magugulat sila na wig. Sasabihin, then, it's my opportunity to tell them, no, because I'm doing treatment for cancer.
Oo.
Lalo hindi sila
Lalo
naniwala.
sila maniwala. Sabi nila,
Hindi naniniwala.
sabi nila, oh, but you're on remission. And then I tell them, no, I'm still doing treatment. Chemotherapy. Tapos sabi nila, sabi nila, but your early stage is good. No, stage 4. And then when they ask pa further,
Oo.
and then they learn na I'm
Oo.
triple negative. For those who know na merong may ganon,
Oo.
sinasabi nila, how can you even smile? But yun, I tell them, I remember what Dr. Homer said. He said, cancer is not a death sentence. It's a word. It's an illness, but it's not a death sentence, diba? So I tell them that na, you know, at the end, you can heal from cancer but die from an accident, diba? So yun, last Sunday lang, yung popular siya na parang sa showbiz. And then, so I told her, nag-hello ako, ganyan. Sabi ko, maybe you didn't recognize me because I have short hair. I used to have long hair. Sabi niya, because I'm doing treatment for cancer. Oh, don't say na, don't say. Sabi niya, don't mention na you have, cancer.
Why?
Yung thought balloon ko, I have na cancer. Sabi niya, no, don't mention it na. It's okay. You don't look sick. Sabi ko, yeah, but yes, I have cancer and it's stage 4. So, yeah. So, it helps na you say it. Para yun lang, wala nang hold sa'yo yung sakit. Diba?
Yeah.
Wala kang tinatago.
Wala kang tinatago.
Kasi yun yung problema din ng a lot of people, a lot
Totoo
of
yan.
women, no? Pagka may bukol sila, alam nilang cancer, yan tatago nila. To such a point na sobrang laki na, hindi na nila matago. But by that time, paano mo gagamutin? Sobrang laki na yung bukol. Diba? So, we see a lot of these on a daily basis.
Yes.
I mean, I see these types of patients, ang lalaki ng mga bukol on a daily basis. So, ganun karami yung stigma ng cancer because of the diagnosis of cancer. Talagang nakakahiya or nakakatakot. So, to the point na ayaw na nilang sabihin. So, but, you know, as a,
How can you hide it? Dok, makakalbo ka talaga. Ano ka?
Hindi, kaya tinatanong nila sa mo binili mo. Kaya nga, diba, nagpo-prepare na rin sila. Okay pala, brave na ako. Kaya ko na ito.
Diba?
Yes.
So now, with your family and friends, so what did you have any realizations with regards to after diagnosis of cancer? Any realizations with regards to your relationship with people, your family and friends?
No, I realized God allowed me to have cancer also to tell people na it's not the end of the world na kung may cancer ka. And there's hope runs eternal, di ba?
Yes.
And you should always think na it's not a death sentence, you can heal from it, di ba? But you can pwede ka namang walang cancer tapos may mangyari rin sa'yo na ibang di ba? And it's also an opportunity to tell them na you can be joyful even with cancer.
Yes. So, tinatawag natin doon thriving despite of cancer.
Yes.
So,
Ako din thriving even though I'm fat. Parang ang tanggapin yun.
Malayo naman nun.
Katulad gano'n, tingnan mo naman si Bambi. Wala kang kalat. 1/4 ko lang.
Grabe naman to.
Dito na nga ako. Ayoko na. Oo. Dito mo, di ba? I think yung laughter mo din.
Yeah, I'm
very
natatawa
good
rin
siya.
ako.
parang nagkukon talaga ng positivity, no?
And siguro it helps din na even with, kasi minsan pag may cancer, di ba, pansinin nyo, pag pupunta sa doktor,
Tama.
majority, para kulang na magpajama, pero hindi naman
Pajama.
Hindi
Di ba, yan ang
ayos eh.
Oo.
jogging pants,
Oo.
ganun.
Oo.
Bakit? Nung wala ka ng cancer, nag-aayos ka. O di,
Oo.
bakit naman hindi ka mag-aayos ngayon,
Oo.
di ba?
Bumili ho kayo ng mga damit, mag-makeup po kayo. Gusto ko nga yung eyelashes ni Ma'am Grace. Oo, sabi ko, saan po yan? Di ba? Oo, ganun talaga. Magpaganda tayo. Oo, kahit mataba tayo. Kaya
Grabe
si Ma'am
naman.
Vicky, ang ganda-ganda
Grabe
talaga.
naman, grabe
Tignan mo naman, oh.
Okay, well, so
Oo.
before we
Oo,
proceed,
may mga
we just want,
questions ba?
yeah, but Monette Litwa, your friend.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, she said, hi, Binky. So, we have couple of questions, no? So, we'll
Oo, ang
go.
dami questions
Oh, dami.
na.
Oh,
Dapat nandito ka parati,
oh,
Ma'am.
pwede ba raw ang shirataki rice? Yes, you can. Just be aware that some of the shirataki rice do have rice flour or flour. So, you have to also be aware of that, no?
Totoo yan.
Oo. So,
Meron
and then, there's hope daw nakakaiyak. Of course, there's always hope, di ba? And then may nagtatanong, what type of mushroom? So, okay, mushrooms in general, it doesn't have to be a specific mushroom. So you can have maitake mushroom, reishi.
Huwag lang candok, baka
Oh,
akala
no.
No canned, no.
Definitely no canned. So you can have fresh or dried, wag lang delata. And then there are supplements in capsules. So you have reishi, maitake, Coriolis, there's turkey tail. So there are many types of mushrooms, and all of them do contains what we call beta glucan. So these are the ones that actually helps you to prevent or avoid side effects from chemo and radiotherapy. So yun yung maraming nagko-question what type of mushroom capsules, no? So anything else?
Ako may question, Doctor. Kasi
oo.
syempre, for some of our patients, cannot afford or ayaw nila talaga ng chemo or radiation. And what could you parang recommend? Like for example, for what yung sinabi niya, 'di ba, pag triple negative, sayang lang yung chemo, sayang lang yung in-undergo mo na therapy. I mean,
Hindi,
that's
kung nagkikimo ka, kung lakas mo naman mag-sugar.
Oo nga. Those are the
Hindi
things
pwede.
that you have to parang consider. And also, if the medication or the protocol of Dr. Homer, I think it really works, di ba? Well,
Big testimony.
yes.
But wait. So
Really
before
testimony.
let's go back. So during when you were doing chemo or before you did chemo and radio, did your doctors tell you what you should not eat aside from raw foods? Was there any type of diet that they said that you should
No,
not
you
have?
can eat anything.
You can eat
Yun pa.
anything.
Oo.
Yun,
Kaya
no?
pala lumalala
Oo,
din yung mga
oo.
patient. You can
Yeah.
eat everything, anything.
Anything
Oo,
talaga.
yeah.
Kasi it will also make you happy. Imagine, eto talaga nagpapanik ako pag, like I have co-patients in Singapore,
Oo.
na naging, magkakaibigan kami kasi
Tama.
Pilipino.
Oo.
Imagine kumakain ng ice cream.
Ayun.
Oh no, I think the last time I ate ice cream, sobrang tagal na. Pero sabi ko, please don't eat. Tas itong particular na friend namin, stomach, ang cancer niya. Tapos pinapakain siya ng ice cream kasi nga parang wala siyang gana. So pinapakain siya ng ice cream. Wala na.
Nawala na siya.
Passed away.
Huwag ka na mag-ice cream, ha?
Hindi ako mahilig ng ice cream.
Ah,
hindi ko
Hindi ako
mahilig.
mahilig ng ano.
Kanin lang.
Kanin. Yung lempo, wala na.
Wala.
Saturday
Ako
lang.
din eh.
Kasi tinempa ko. Bakit ko akong lempo.
Sarap eh.
Oo, sarap ng lempo
Wala
talaga.
na.
Oo. So, yung mga things na tapos meron din tayong isang patient na, yun nga, yung kinoconsider nila is to do the oral chemo or the chemo na nag-decide sila kasi sinabi niya na wala naman daw talagang pag-asa or what. Sinabi naman sa kanila na they cannot say na it will work. Parang ganon.
The oral.
The oral or the chemo.
Chemotherapy.
Chemotherapy.
Kumbaga, walang guarantees.
Walang guarantee. Ganon. And then, ang sinasabi sa kanila is bone
Bone marrow transplant.
Oo. So, what do you think, Doctor? Yung mga bone marrow transplant can also work or?
It can work, pero yun nga, tricky. Kasi nga, yung chances of failure is also high.
High.
Oo. So, pag nag-fail yun, you see St. Peter.
Oh, say hello.
Okay.
You
St.
say
Peter.
hello to St. Peter na, no? So, it's so
I think
medyo...
the diet is really
Yeah, it's big.
very,
I
very
think.
helpful talaga.
How about sleep? Kasi that, as
Ayun
you...
din, sleep.
Oo, I
Yun
think,
din, Doc.
did you have a problem when it came to sleeping before, during?
During, no. Pero yung parang ngayon, meron. Inisip ko nga kung bakit. Kaya kaka-message ko lang kayo. Ano mo pwede kong i-take to sleep? Ano?
Kasi that's
Well,
also one part
mm,
of the things that, a lot of cancers have is patient in sleep because
Mm.
of worry,
yes.
because of,
Ayan, oh yan, Doc.
di ba? Oo. So,
Pero Doc, negative, kahit naman you take all these, you do all these things, kung
Mm-mm.
negative yung isip mo rin, and
Oo.
you're stressed, and
Yes.
you have unforgiveness and
Yun.
anger inside you,
See?
medyo dadami.
Unforgiveness, no?
Oo.
Oo.
Dapat i-forgive na nila.
Ikaw din, i-forgive mo na yung rice cooker.
Finorgive ko. Maliit na nga lang siya eh. Parang ganun na lang, 3 cups na lang kami, tapos para 4 days kami kumakain.
4 days yung isang rice cooker. Di ba
Iniinit na lang.
sira? Iniinit.
Iniinit na lang namin.
Okay. Well, anyway,
Yun.
so we're 55 minutes.
Wow!
Wow! Ang tagal.
Ma'am Binky, punta ka uli dito kasi there will be, parang it's really very inspiring if they can hear, diba, and see a patient na talagang, eto na po, gumagaling ho ba ang pasyente? Yes po. Yun. Ito yun eh. Parang yung sinasabi natin, hope ba to? Hindi, real talk po to na yes, we had a hope. And I think, is it a miracle? I think yes.
Yes.
Oo.
But every day is a miracle.
It is.
Every day is a miracle, and it's really up to you on how to embrace all these
Yeah.
things.
Yes.
And
The diet per se.
diet. And
Oo.
also, I wanna share, minsan kasi tayo, we wait to be healed to celebrate.
Tama.
Celebrate
Correct.
every day, di ba?
Yes, why not celebrate every day? Oh,
Correct,
Hey.
oo.
Nilda, don't celebrate every day with
Ako,
rice.
I wanted to celebrate with rice.
Ako with wine, Doc.
With
Oh!
wine!
That's a
Yun
very
na
nice
talagang
celebration.
ininday ko, pero the good girl talaga ako. Talaga, yan ang mindset ko. Sabi ko, soon, pag makain. Pero, alam nyo, yun ang pinaka-nahirapan ako i-overcome. Pero sabi ni Doc, na hindi ko pa kakalimutan to. Yung first time punta sa clinic niya na may cancer ako. Sabi ko, Doc, kasi bawal lahat. Bawal yun, bawal ganyan. Sabi ko, Doc, paano yung wine? Sabi niya, pwede, pero wag matamis. Sabi ko, Doc, hindi ako nagmamatamis. Sabi niya, sige, 1 glass. Sabi ko, sige, yay! Sabi niya, ano kalaki glass mo? Sabi ko, ganun.
Isang bote.
Sabi niya, palagi siya. Sabi. But anyway, yun. I think we don't wait to be healed to celebrate.
Correct.
Minsan kasi tayo parang hindi tayo magpapakita sa maraming tao.
Bakit nga
Diba?
naman, di ba?
Or konti lang. Kasi nga, hinihintay natin na gagaling ako, and then you tell people about your illness
journey.
or
Yeah.
your journey, and then you celebrate. No. Why don't you celebrate every day?
And this is
diba?
one of the celebrations
This
that
is
we're
one of
having
the-
right now, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. And it will inspire other people.
Tama.
Yun.
So before we go, siguro it's nice for Ma'am Binky to give a final message to our patients and
Yes.
family members.
Family, yes,
Kasi
especially the family
special
members.
kasi sila yung
Yun
natatarantay.
talaga. Talaga, yun.
Oo.
For the patients na muna. The patients, yun nga, I will encourage you na to remind yourself. Sometimes we need to teach ourselves, to talk to ourselves, di ba? Na, we can heal from cancer, but die from an accident. So, at the end, it's still
Yeah.
God who really decides, di ba, when it's our time or not. And I think, para sa akin, I think it helps when you have hope in someone who controls everything. Yun yung And bakit ako naniniwala sa mga natural things na sinasabi ni Doc Homer, ganyan yung protocol? Bakit? Because, syempre, sino ba nag-create naman? Syempre, alangan namang walang healing ang sun. I think sun ngayon, hindi na ako nag-ano pala sa sunblock. Kasi minsan naisip ko may chemical siya.
Tama.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yun.
Oo.
So, hindi na. And I think it's good to absorb yung sun.
Correct.
Diba? And
Correct.
nature.
Yes.
Yon. And you can do all these things, pero kung negative ka rin, and lagi kang merong galit and unforgiveness, hindi siya mag-help sa condition mo.
Mm.
But there's hope. Kahit pakano yan ka ano ba?
Grabe.
Grabe. May hope talaga. And to the family naman, I also know the feeling of someone having a loved one who's sick because my dad had cancer then. Yun, it helps to be there, but not only be there, but to show them, parang sinusupport sila
Tama.
na you're not sad kasi nasa-stress yung merong
Yes.
sakit.
Sa
Diba?
patient, opo.
Yun. And to encourage them not to every day there's a reason to celebrate.
Yeah.
Talaga.
That's very
Yeah.
good.
So-
Every day is
so
a
just-
celebration.
Okay, so I think, suddenly something, but your journey, di ba? When did you start having the diagnosis? 2023, right?
Yes.
Alam mo, Dok, akala ko 1 year lang ako may sakit. Akalain mong magti 3 years na, ako 4 na nga.
Oo, di ba?
Well, you don't
Akala ko.
really
Oo.
look sick.
But
Ah.
just to remind everyone, yung journey ni Binky, she had stage 4, okay?
Mm.
She had a big tumor. At the end, they had to remove it. Dead pala. But I want people to understand that when you're taking whatever treatment, whether it's natural, conventional, or combined, do not expect to get healed in a matter of weeks. Or
Yes.
or 1 month, 2 months, di ba?
Mm.
Kasi may mga pasyente na, Doc, gagaling na ba ako in 2 weeks? Sabi ko, hindi naman ako si Jesus Christ. Si Jesus lang kayang gawin yun,
Correct,
di ba?
correct.
Everything for these types of diseases that are chronic diseases. Of course, it takes time. It takes the body time to heal, to repair, to kill cancer. So, do not expect to get better in 1 month or 2 months. Hindi yun, kumbaga hindi yun
Magic.
hindi yun magic. You have to temper your expectations. I think that's
Yes.
the most important
So,
thing.
may nakalimutan ko
Oo,
sabihin.
oo,
One of the best advice na nakuha ko
Oo.
nung na-diagnose ako may cancer.
oo.
And I tell people about this.
Mm.
One of the best. Alam mo ano? Stop Google.
Tama.
Sabi!
Tama.
Stop Google talaga.
Mm.
And, ito ha, you listen to 2 or the most 3 people na you trust. Yan talaga pala ang nakatulong sa akin. I stop Google kasi pag nag-Google ka, meron kang maririnig na maganda, pero meron ka ring makikita na, wala ka ng chance.
Yes. So.
And I think when you read about triple negative, medyo ganun siya.
Tama.
And then, you listen, bakit ko sinabi, you listen to only 2 or 3 at the most people na you trust. Kasi when you're diagnosed with cancer and you start telling people about it, they'll say, try this, go to him, go to drink this, go to this hospital, ganyan-ganyan. Maguguluhan ka.
Tama.
So, ang mangyayari niyan, ang tendency niyan, mag-uumpisa ka dito sa isang doktor na to, at tapos ilang kaano lang, pupunta ka na naman sa iba, magugulo ka, then hindi pa siya makakatulong sa ano mo, sa situation mo. Kaya it will help kung meron kang, ako talaga honestly, 2 lang. Yun yung isa kasi, syempre, I have to submit to my husband. Siya yung mas Western medicine. And then, yun, meron akong isa pang doctor.
Yeah, si Dr. Homer. Oo. Actually,
So,
alam mo, majority of the patients also wanted to talk and listen to Dr. Homer lang.
Yan nga, oo nga eh.
Talaga namang very talaga dedicated sila. Sabi ko nga
Yeah.
ikaw ba si Jesus?
Oo, tsaka yung tama yung sabi, your doctors,
Oo.
hindi sila magician,
Tama.
hindi sila si God na
Correct.
mag-ano. But
Oo.
remember, minsan nagtataka tayo, ba't di tayo gumagaling? Kasi sa totoo lang, when the doctor is not looking,
At you. Tama.
minsan nagdadaya talaga tayo. Pero yun,
Oo, huwag
hindi
kayo
talaga.
magdaya sa dosing.
Dosing?
Yung dosing na pag-take nila.
Basta pa-promise ka, hindi ka rin magdadaya sa kanin.
Promise.
Live yan! Nag-record na tayo, ha? Nag-record
Promise,
tayo.
oo.
Hindi ka na magdadaya sa kanin.
Kasi naman, tingnan mo naman si Ma'am Biggie. Kalahati ng katawan ko, braso ko. Parang grabe. Grabe. Tapos ang ganda po niya talaga. Parang hindi mo siya cancer patient talaga. Pero talagang there's really hope. Alam mo, yung nangyari, yung pagtanggal na parang dead cell. It's a
Yun talaga,
miracle,
it
It is
is
a
talaga.
miracle talaga. Pero mo PET scan, sabi di ba? PET scan po
Gusto
yun,
na questionin.
Iko-question na. So, miracle po yun.
Yes.
Na it really do happens in a modern world.
Yes.
So,
And
wag-
God will use our doctors then.
And isa
Give
yun si
them
Dr.
wisdom.
Homer.
Mm-mm.
Dr. Jesus.
Ay, blasphemy yan! Naalok
Oh,
ka!
hindi po.
Baka yariin tayo!
Hindi po. Ang
Oh.
ibig ko po sabihin,
Oo.
sent ho siya. Pinadala ho siya.
So ikaw hindi ka pinadala?
Hindi, ako lang pala. Oo, pinadala din po ako. Parang kalabitin si Doc. Oo, oo.
Okay.
Saka si Ma'am Binky rin.
Oo.
Talagang very inspiring ka, Ma'am Binky. Thank you,
Oo.
Sana mag-guest ka dito parati, ha?
Oo.
Sige.
Oo, yun.
Okay.
Oo.
So 1 hour and 5 minutes na. So we just want to say hi. Any last words before? Remember your promise.
Yes, promise ko po, ang
Oo.
rice, isa na lang po talaga.
Isang ano?
Isang cup lang.
Palok.
Gano'n kaya kayong cup? Yan na naman. Oh, yeah, ikaw nagsabi niyan ha.
Ganyan.
Naka-record yan,
Ganyan.
naka-record ha.
Ganyan
Baka
lang
naman gano'n
po.
kahaba.
Uy, kahit kailan ganyan na nga lang.
Oo,
ako
ganito
kumain
ka,
eh.
ganyan talaga
Kasi
dapat,
naman
ah.
tinitignan yung parati.
Oo, sige na nga.
Oo.
Okay, okay. So
And
anyway,
of course, yan,
thank you
yan.
everyone.
po.
Thank you,
Oo.
Ma'am Binky.
Ma'am Binky, thank you very much.
Thank you
Very
much.
inspiring
So
po
we'll
kayo.
see you again next week.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
It's